Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install VirtualBox 7.1.8 on Linux Mint 22. But the process is same on all Linux Mint operating systems. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to VirtualBox official website, that is virtualbox.org. Click on download, then click on Linux distributions. See here we don't have the Linux Mint. Open terminal, more/etc OS-release. See, its ID is like Ubuntu Debian and its Ubuntu code name is Noble. So, Noble means it is Ubuntu 24.04. So, click on Ubuntu 24.04. See, once we click on download started and its size is 103 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install the VirtualBox 7.1.8. See, download is completed. Go to terminal again. Go to downloads directly. CD downloads ls. See here we have the VirtualBox 7.1.8. It is Debian package, so install it sudo dpkg-i, then give 2 or 3 letters of this VirtualBox Debian package name and give the tab to autofill entire Debian package name and hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, it is failed to install because it depends on this library. So install it, copy this one, sudo apt install, it will throw error, hit enter. So first we have to run this command, copy this one, sudo Ctrl+A, paste it, hit enter, type and hit enter. You scroll up, see it is installing the dependency package. Okay, now try to install the dependency package. See, it is already installed. Okay, now install this VirtualBox again. This time you won't get the errors. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to all applications, search for VirtualBox. See here we have the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it. See, you got the VirtualBox. Let us verify the version of the VirtualBox that we have installed. Help, then about VirtualBox. See here we have installed VirtualBox 7.1.8. Okay, close this one, close this one. Now we will see how to install the VirtualBox extension pack. Go to downloads again. Then see here we have the Oracle VirtualBox extension pack. So click on this accept and download. See, it is downloading the extension pack. Download completed. Open this VirtualBox extension pack. Click on install. Then read this license agreement and click on I agree. Now we have to authenticate. Provide the password of the root account or any sudo account. See, it is installing package. See, we have successfully installed. Let us close. Again, if you try to install this extension pack, it will ask us to reinstall, which means we have successfully installed. Okay, now go to terminal ls. These files are not recorded anymore because we have successfully installed. Give rm, give oracle, give the space bar, hit enter, tab, hit enter. Also remove this one, give the rm VirtualBox, hit enter. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install VirtualBox and its extension pack on Linux Mint 22. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.